Hey there, welcome back. Guys, if you want to generate quality leads, LinkedIn is a great platform to run your lead generation campaigns. And when it comes to business management, SuiteDash is an awesome tool to manage the data of your clients and leads. And here I'm going to show you how you can integrate these two applications in such a way that you can automate the transfer of leads data from your lead generation campaigns via LinkedIn to SuiteDash. And we can set up this whole automation without any coding super simply. So without any further ado, let's begin. To set up the workflow of our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And to reach this page, guys, you can use the link I have pasted in the description. And from here, you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automation. So guys, sign up right now from the given link. And after that, you can sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, guys, click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So guys, I have given this name here. Now you can click on create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which is the trigger and the actions. So guys, triggers is that event which is going to start the workflow, and the actions are the automated responses of the trigger. In our use case, guys, getting a lead from lead generation form is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be to add the person as the contact in SuiteDash. So when you click on this trigger window, it will ask you to choose the trigger application. So here you have to choose LinkedIn lead generation forms. Okay. And then you have to select the trigger event as new lead gen form response. And then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection and then click on connect with LinkedIn lead gen forms. So it will bring you to this window where you have to sign in LinkedIn. And when you sign in, you will be connected like this. Okay. And here it will ask you to select your account's name. So my LinkedIn lead account name is this one. I am selecting Naveen Kole. Okay. And here you have to select the lead generation form where the leads are coming. So guys, first of all, let me show you the lead generation campaign manager of LinkedIn. So let me just open the campaign manager first. And here you can see, guys, I am under the advertisement section. So when you open the advertisement section, it will show you the campaign groups that you have created. So this is a group I have created, and under which when you click, you will find the campaigns like these. Okay, so these are two campaigns. And here I'm going to open this lead generation campaign for you, and under this campaign you can see I am running two advertisements. Okay, so in these two advertisements I have lead generation forms attached. Okay, so let me show you this one. And where you can create lead generation forms, you can click on assets, and here you can see the lead generation forms option is here. And here you can create lead generation forms like this. So these are the forms I have created. Okay, and let me show you. This is a ad I am running. Let me click on manage option. Okay, and under this manager you can see with this advertisement for integration, this is the title of my ad. The lead generation form attached, the name is of the form is healthcare for life. So this was the form healthcare for life which is attached in this advertisement for integration. Now let me show you how the ad is going to look like. Let me open the lead generation campaign. Okay, and here let me open the ad. So this is how the ad is going to look like. I have just created this ad just for showing you the demo of this integration. You can create your own beautiful personalized ads. Okay, so when this ad will appear in real time, when this ad is going to be live, someone can click here on this register option, and this is how a lead generation form will open up. Here it will ask you to provide your email address, your phone number, first name and the last name. Here you can see the first name and the last name is auto filled here because the ad is not live yet. It is just showing you the test data. Okay, now let me just close this. And here you can select your account, then select the lead generation form. So I have already shown you the lead generation form's name is healthcare for life. Let me just select healthcare for life here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to manually fill this form which I have opened here, okay, with some demo data, and I'm going to submit the form, and after that I'm going to click on save and send test request so that the data of that form submission will be captured here. So let us just open this form. So guys, I have given the email address details as testing, okay, and this is the dummy phone number, and here I'm clicking on submit. You can see the form has been submitted. Let's check now. I'm going to click on save and send test request button here. And here you can see guys, we have received the data like this. In the response section, it is showing the form's name is healthcare for life. And when you scroll down here, in the end, you will get the submission data. Here you can see this was the last name showing up, first name, and the email address, testing, and number. These were the details we have filled. Now with the help of this data, we can create a contact in SuiteDash. So in this action window, I am going to connect with SuiteDash, and I'm going to select the action event here as create contact. Now you can click on this connect option. From here, select add new connection, and here it is asking for the public ID and the secret key of SuiteDash application. So to get this data, let me show you my SuiteDash account. This is SuiteDash application, guys, and here in the top search bar, in the top right corner, you can see this profile icon. Open it, click on it, and you will find the my account section. From here, click on integrations option, and guys, here you will find this secure API key tab. Click on secure API key, and here you will find this public ID. You can just click on copy and paste the public ID here in your workflow like this, okay. And here only you will find this add secret key button. By clicking on this button, you can create a new key, okay. I have already created a few keys, so I'm going to use the existing one. So you just copy the key and paste it here, and then click on save, and you will be connected with SuiteDash application, right? And here you can see started asking to select the role of the contact. So the role is lead only. Here it is asking for the prefix to be attached. So we do not know who is going to fill the form. It can be a Mr. or a Miss or Mrs. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to toggle this map button to on, and I'm going to erase this help text. So it will remain blank. The prefix will remain blank. Now it is asking for the first name, last name, email address, and all these data. So guys, I'm going to use this test data that I have received here in the trigger section, and I'm going to map these labels I have received here in these fields. So to map the data, you just have to click on the first name label, and the previous step will appear here in the drop down. And from here you can see all the data, and now you can click on this first name label to map the first name. Similarly, map the last name label like this. Email address, you will find it here, and the phone number as well, you will find it here only. So map it, okay. And it has many fields, so if you have all the data, you can fill all the data, but these are not required details, so you can leave them blank as well. After that, you can test your connection with SuiteDash by clicking on save and send test request button, and a new contact will be added here inside the contact section of SuiteDash. So let me open it. So this is the contact section, okay. And let's test our connection with SuiteDash. I am clicking on save and send test request button. Guys, this is the response I have received, okay. Let's check in SuiteDash again. And here you can see, guys, we got a new contact added named as Pabbly Subscription Billing Management, testing@pabblytuts.com. These are the same details I have mapped here. You can see in these fields, Pabbly Subscription Billing, testing, and the same person as added here. So our connection is working fine, and we are done setting up this workflow. And you have to set up this workflow only once. After that, in real time, it is going to trigger automatically whenever someone is going to fill your lead generation form. You will get the data of that person in SuiteDash automatically. And guys, I'm going to place the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.